Om Shanti. There are a couple of statements which brought a shift in my thinking. I heard doctors saying, "We treat, he cures," pointing towards God. Another thought-provoking statement was medication and meditation. I started pondering on these lines that how effective this meditation really is. When I started exploring the facts, I came across many scientific evidences revealing the benefits of meditation. During the past 30 years, many scientists have shown great interest in studying how and why meditation works, thanks to the science for studying the effect of meditation. Several studies confirm that people who regularly meditate experience less pain adversity than those who don't meditate regularly. Journal of Neuroscience 2011 published a study stating that newbie meditators experienced 40% of pain reduction after training of short session meditation. Scientific evidence says that people who meditate are able to recognize the emotions like fear, anxiety, stress, and tension, but not stuck in the pessimistic meaning of the emotions. People, on the other hand, who are non-meditators are seem to be stuck in the negative meaning of the emotions. There are people I know who say that we are so busy in our hectic schedule that we just need to handle the situations and we are not bothered about our happiness nor time taking to meditation, nothing. Okay, for a while, let me speak from your perspective. Let us keep aside this mental well-being, but you are supposed to fulfill so many duties and responsibilities, one after another. Without physical health, do you think you can accomplish your responsibilities? Not possible. So definitely, this life is a complete package of work, duties, responsibilities, physical health and mental well-being, which has to be taken care of. So definitely, every human being has to opt for this complete package to take care of. Now, to take care of this complete package, we have to select an advanced solution for this, an advanced mechanism for this called as Raj Yoga meditation. This Raj Yoga meditation is the most simplest method on this world. Of course, we have to do some effort for this, but why it is so easy? It can be done by anyone everywhere on this planet. There is no need of special degree for this, no need of gym membership, no need of any advanced equipment. It's very simple and yet an advanced technique, this Raj Yoga meditation. Raj Yoga meditation is not just focusing on the thoughts. It is our complete conviction on that supreme almighty power. It is mastering our emotions and also it is making our soul pure and powerful. It is like a complete package, not just dealing with the thoughts. It is a complete package of God, soul, thoughts, emotions and purifying the soul. When we are opting this full package of Raj Yoga meditation, the advanced mechanism, then definitely the result we get is a complete lifestyle modification and also the result will be of a full package, meaning when we are focused in Raj Yoga meditation, connecting ourselves with the Supreme God, we get a full package benefits: health, wealth, happiness, peace, purity and prosperity. What else we need? Just by one Raj Yoga meditation, if we are getting all these full packaged benefits, why to miss this golden opportunity? Such a great mechanism is Raj Yoga meditation. It is believed that Meera was sent poison to drink. Without a flinch, she drank, and with the grace of God, That poison, it is believed that poison is turned into nectar. Prahlada, a highest devotee of God, he was surrounded by venomous snakes to bite, but surprisingly, while he was not even scared of seeing the snakes at his childhood age, but instead he immersed himself in the remembrance of God, and magically these venomous snakes, who are supposed to become a noose around him, became a garland around his neck. When there is complete conviction on God, then poison also can turn into nectar. Then, do you think this poisonous pandemic can do any harm to us? When venomous snakes can become a garland around a devotee, then do you think when we become a devotee towards God, then this venomous virus, what can it do to us? What harm can it do to us? No, it can't even touch us. But the only condition is I have to have a complete conviction on the supreme power. I should believe in my thought power. And of course, we are supposed to take all the precautions we have to take. Wear a mask, sanitize your hands, maintain physical distancing, sanitize your home and mind frequently, then we all can experience a magical help from God. It's a sincere suggestion to all the doctors that while writing your prescription to the patient, first and the foremost on your prescription should be meditation, because this meditation can do miracles in our life. This meditation can handle our emotions. This meditation is able to give less pain adversity to the meditator. This meditation gives an optimistic view for a life situation. With this meditation and medication, definitely we all can do wonders with our positive thoughts with the help of Raj Yoga meditation, and we all will definitely win the pandemic. Om Shanti.